We like to call it our culture, tradition, our personality. It was the function of the personalities of the lawyers that we had. The lawyers knew the law, the courts, the client's needs.
This firm has an amazing history. Our goal is always to perpetuate the firm's success.
We've always thought it was unique, and we have strived to continue that uniqueness.
Because if you're coming to an institutional firm like this, we're a large firm, well respected, go back to 1844, you tend to think, well, if I just do my work and keep my nose clean, everything will be fine. But it's not enough to do your work.
There was an expectation of being thoroughly well prepared. The successful lawyers that we had were successful because they were skilled, tenacious, fiercely competitive, and demanding.
Jamil Jamra, John Eastman, these were role model lawyers.
From my own perspective, I appreciate the mentoring that I received through John Eastman, Wayne Stichter, Jamil Jamra, and others who just have laid a real solid groundwork for me and others to continue the firm.
But they were also proactive mentors, and that was a tradition.